Welcome back, and we are going to the very last topic, and this is NC files configuration and creating NC files. It's very simple. Let's switch to isometric view or to the model integral structures. Once you've selected your model like this, it's very easy. You come to menu, then you come all the way to export. So under export, you will pick on NC files. Pick on the NC files. So under NC files, we'll pick maybe NC right there and click load. And we want profiles. We have so many options here. We have DSTV files. We have DSTV, and let's pick DSTV for plates and profiles. And you check bookmarks right there, and we'll check bookmarks there. Contour, check that and that. And probably you want to edit more. The file extension remove, it just remains that it is. NC files and part lists. NC files and part lists, we can include that. And another thing, part list location, we don't need anything about that. The holes and cuts, we just leave this as it is. Skip the unnecessary points and unfold polybeam, correct. Then I click OK. So once you are done, just check the selected objects, then click create. Give it some time to process the information, and you can get information here. NC files have been written for plates and profiles. So I'll just close this. Where do we get those files? Come to open model folder, and you come to NC files, and you come to your folder, and you have everything inside here. All these in place. So let's try if we have one in place. Let's try and open. But that is the process, and that is how you can create an NC file. Let me try and zoom if we have any part inside. Though there's no part inside, but well, let me just go back and first of all close that, change, close that. Let me just try open one. You see the file extensions NC1. So this is how you generate your NC files. So I think we'll wind up on this. So we've seen how to create the NC files and how you can configure and create your NC files inside here. So I hope you'll try that and make the drawings visible. Now that is the assignment, I'm leaving it with you. So please do that. You can change the file extension to maybe a DXF instead of a DWG in AutoCAD. So let me just close my everything here, and I carry my books and everything. So I think we'll meet on a different topic, integral structures. So we've just ended here, NC files configuration, creating NC files. So that is the procedure, and that's how you can create NC files. Thanks a lot for listening, and let's meet then on a different course. Bye bye. Hope you spent your time nicely. Nicely. Bye bye.